So you're on quarantine. That's such a bummer, and I'm super sorry. We're going to miss you while you're not in school physically, but we want to make sure that you stay on top of all the work that you need to do in your classes. If you follow these 3 simple steps, it'll help make sure that your transition in time in quarantine is as smooth as possible. First off, please make sure to email me and your other teachers so that we know you're in quarantine. That little Q on the attendance box can sometimes slip right past me. Second off, fill out the quarantine check-in survey. This lets me know if you have access to technology and any other needs that you may have so that I can help you be successful in quarantine. 3, while it's important for you to stay on top of your schoolwork, it is also important for you to find time to relax. I like to relax by watching funny videos or TV shows. Whatever you can do to help relax and make the time enjoyable is also important. So make sure that while you're gone from school, you find that balance. We hope to see you soon.